Hello everyone, my name is Yusi. Today I'm going to teach you another tofu dish. It's called cold tofu. It's a good idea to have cold tofu in hot weather in Japan. Let's do it. For this recipe, I will use soft tofu, soy sauce, mirin, Japanese rice wine, bonito fish flakes, ginger, 1 piece of kombu seaweed, and 1 shallot or spring onion. First, make the sauce. Add 200 ml of mirin to a pan. Place it on a gentle heat and bring it to the boil. Now add 200 ml of water and 200 ml of soy sauce. Also add the seaweed. Bring it to a gentle boil. Remove the seaweed. Add half a cup of Bonito flakes. Simmer for another 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. When the sauce is cool, pour it into a storage container. Leave most of the Bonito flakes in the pan. Now prepare the cold tofu. Cut the tofu into cubes and put it in cold tap water. Add some ice. For each person, serve several pieces of tofu. Add some sauce, chopped shallot, bonito flakes, and ginger according to your taste. Now you can eat it! Alright, you can serve yourself.
Okay. Thank you very much. Itadakimasu.
どうぞ。
Oishii.
I see? Good.
Yeah, and it's very refreshing on a hot day.
Yeah, that's right.
And what are these other things?
Ginger and shiso leaves, if you like.
Oh, shiso.
Yeah.
I think in English that's perilla.
Gorilla. Gorilla.
No! Perilla.
Gorilla.
Anyway, don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
The Yushi Sushi.
The Yushi Sushi. It's a good idea to have some very big screen over there next time, okay? So I'll say, hello everybody.
She wants a teleprompter now.